Apple's master plan is failing already. With the iPhone 14 series, Apple killed the mini iPhone for a new iPhone 14 Plus, and well, people are finally giving Apple the taste of their own medicine. As we know, the Pro iPhones are getting all the love for the new design, the dynamic island, the new display, 48 megapixel camera, Apple A16 chip, etc. But for the non-Pro iPhones, the things are completely different. The iPhone 14 and 14 Plus are getting the absolute worst reception for any iPhone launch event ever, particularly the iPhone 14 Plus model. They put the worst display with a 60Hz refresh rate on their near $900 phone in 2022 with the old design, old chip. Everything is all old, and they expected people to buy this phone. And well, that plan is apparently failing. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 14 Plus pre-orders are worse than the iPhone 13 mini from last year, which means Apple's current strategy is going down bad. What's even more alarming is that the iPhone 14 Plus accounts for 45% of the total shipments, meaning they put a lot of trust in this model, and since the demand is worse than the iPhone 13 mini, Apple will likely have to cut the orders for this device. At this point, everyone knows that the iPhone 13 Pro series from last year is a much better deal than the non-Pro iPhone 14 series. Not only you get the same hardware, but you also get a 120Hz screen and a telephoto lens as well. Either you get the iPhone 14 Pro series or you get the 13 Pro series from last year. This is what happens when you try to sell the same thing over and over again. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now, as for the iPhone 14 Pro series, the sales are looking pretty strong, stronger than last year's iPhone 13 Pro series, especially the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is indeed the star of the show. Apple is seeing strong demand for this model, so they'll have to increase the shipment for the Pro Max. Also, in more iPhone 14 news, here are the official battery sizes for the entire iPhone 14 series. Looking at the battery sizes and the official data from Apple, it seems like the iPhone 14 Pro Max will have the best battery life out of all the models, probably the most insane battery life on any smartphone ever. I'm really looking forward to test this out, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for that video. Also, in other news, the iOS 16 is now finally coming out officially for all the supported iPhones. This is indeed Apple's best software with a lot of new cool features like dynamic lock screen, being able to extract PNG, have translate built into the actual camera application, plus tons of cool features. So if you haven't updated yet, try it and have fun. So that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about this whole news of Apple's plan failing hard right in the beginning with the pre-order phase. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.